Are you a business owner struggling to keep your books in order? You are not alone. I am here to help. Hi, I am Rachel and welcome to R.M Accounting Solutions, your new go spot for simple step-by-step bookkeeping tutorials designed with small business owners in mind. Now, I created this channel to help small business owners and self-employed professionals to understand the basics of accounting and bookkeeping in a simple, clear way. Learn how to track your income and expenses for a better business decision. With years of experience in finance and working with local businesses, I know how confusing terms like assets, liabilities, equity can be. That is why I'm here to break it all down for you, using short tutorials, real-life examples, and easy-to-follow steps. Whether you are just starting out or trying to get your records in order, I've got you. This channel is all about making bookkeeping easy, so you can focus on growing your business with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a simple step to keep your books in order. This is R.M Accounting Solutions, where bookkeeping is made easy for small businesses. See you in the next video.